In this video, I will show you how to change video quality on Facebook. Firstly, when you open up the application, you need to tap on the three dots on your right upper side. Then you need to scroll right down, go for settings and privacy, select the first selection, settings, and then when you get right here, you need to scroll down and go for the site, which is media and contacts, or just simply going up to the media site. Now if you scroll right down, and here if you find out that section which is for media, if you don't find, you need to go up and go just for that site. And here guys, you're gonna be available to take a look on this selection which has been detected on two sites for data saver or optimized. Now what you're gonna simply select on that site, you need to go and simply adjust videos to network conditions or use up to 40 less data by reducing video quality. Now for you, what is the most important here? As you want to get a better quality, you need simply to take a look on that first site and go for optimized section.